next competitors in the business ethics event are Gabriel Manning, Janai McIver, and George Rainey from McNair High School. This will be the competitors' one and only take.
Hello, my name is George Rainey.
My name is Janai McIver.
And my name is Gabrielle Manning.
And we are the Lorax. But not for those who stand up tall and grow leaves.
Or for those that walk on two and beg for needs.
Just for those on four who we take from, making us just like thieves.
We are the Lorax.
Animals after animals have been tested on by companies like Tide, Clorox, MAC, and Listerine for almost ever.
And today we are faced with the same question.
Is it ethical to test on animals?
Testing on animals is by all means inapt.
That is simply because testing on animals is inhumane, unfair, and very expensive. According to the Humane Society International, animals that are involved in testing are subjected to force feeding, breeding, food and water deprivation, and prolonged periods of restraint. Did you know some companies perform the Dre's eye test? This test consists of forcing the eyelids of poor rabbits, innocent rabbits, to stay open for a multitude of days. They watch how shampoos and other products irritate the eye. Is that not cruel and inhumane?
To add on to that, most animals aren't protected by the AWA. The AWA stands for the Animal Welfare Act. This act states minimum standards of care and treatment be provided for certain animals bred for commercial sale, use in research, transported commercially, or exhibited to the public. That sounds perfect and all, but until you realize that 95% of the animals that are tested on aren't covered. These animals include rats, mice, fish, and birds. In 2010 alone, the AWA covered 1.5 million animals, which leaves around 25 million animals that were not covered at all. This leaves these animals vulnerable to mistreatment and abuse with no protection.
Animal testing is more expensive than alternative methods and are a waste of government funds. The alternative to animal testing is more affordable. For example, DNA testing is about $32,000, whereas its alternative cost is $11,000. Rat phototoxicity testing costs about $12,000, whereas a non-animal test will cost about $1,300. The U.S. Institute of Health spends about $14 billion of its $31 billion annual budget, its yearly budget, on this research. We are spending more, causing more harm than creating good.
It is unethical according to all the facts.
The testing of animals will never fully have a positive impact.
Let's stop the test because it's about that time to keep our animals intact.
We are the Lorax.
My name is Ms. Robinson, and I certify that this video was the one and only take allowed.